Do you know you can show or hide the object eraser shortcut in Samsung Gallery? If you frequently remove unwanted objects from your photos, keeping this shortcut visible lets you access it much faster while editing. Let me show you how. First, open the Gallery app. Tap the menu button in the bottom right corner. Then tap Setting. Next, tap Photo Editor Setting. Here, you will find Object Eraser option. When it's turned on, the Object Eraser shortcut appears in the Tools menu while editing a photo. And when it's turned off, the shortcut is hidden from the Tools menu. For this example, let's turn it on. Now, open any photo. Tap the pencil icon, then tap Tools menu. You will now find the Object Eraser shortcut in the list of editing tools, making it just a tap away whenever you are editing a photo. And that's how to show or hide the Object Eraser shortcut in Samsung Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.